What's up everyone, it's Dom Designs, and today I have some very exciting news to announce for the channel. After posting almost 100 videos on YouTube for almost 2 years now, YouTube has finally approved the channel for memberships. By clicking the join button below, you can pay a small monthly fee to join my official membership and support my channel. Depending on the tier you choose, you get a certain amount of perks. But before I get into it, I would like to thank all of you who have been following me from day one, and for all the new supporters who have subscribed, liked, and commented on so many of my videos. Without you, this channel wouldn't be where it is today. We've gained over 60,000 subscribers in the last 6 months, and I never would have thought this would be possible. So once again, I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and let's keep this channel growing and hopefully reach my long-time goal of 100,000 subscribers. Now let's get into the membership perks. For starters, would be the base package. Essentially, what this gives you is access to all my upcoming videos or tutorials 24 hours before it's released to the public. You also get some cool custom emojis I created based on popular uploads. You can use those in the comment sections of any videos or community posts. I will be adding and updating them as time goes on. You can also get cool Dom Designs logo badges. All new members get special badges next to their usernames for comments and live chat on the channel. To recognize the loyal fans, the badge changes colors the longer you are a member, starting with a green badge and ending with the purple. Next would be the premium package. Now this is where it gets interesting. All members of the premium package will get the same perks as the base package. But you also get the downloadable link to the Illustrator file with the sketch and the colors I will use in all my videos or tutorials. Note that the file has the sketch only and the colors, and not the full illustration. You can practice alongside me, and if you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them. Members will be alerted on my community tab before any of my posts go live, and links depending on the membership perks you are subscribed to, so make sure you check that out. So this whole video was more of just an announcement, and I hope you know that even if you don't sign up, just by watching my videos, liking them and commenting and leaving your thoughts brings so much joy to me. And it keeps me motivated to post more and more videos. As always, if you find my videos helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as 80% of you watching are not subscribed. I promise you will get better at illustrating in Adobe Illustrator. And don't forget to like the video while you're at it. Alright, so thank you once again, and I'll leave you with the rest of this illustration. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers everyone!
Thank you.